Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all-in-one miracle mask that works for acne, acne scars, wrinkles, hyperpigmentation and lot more. In this mask, I used only natural organic ingredients that doesn't cause any side effects. I used 8 ingredients in this mask and I will give you a little information of all this whilst I'm adding it. The first ingredient I'm adding is 1 tablespoon of turmeric. You may have been told about the health benefits of consuming turmeric on a regular basis. It imparts the same results for your skin and beauty. Turmeric is anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and it contains lots of antioxidants. It cures acne, lightens acne scars, reduces wrinkles, and even sorts your skin tone. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chickpea flour. Chickpea flour has antimicrobial properties and it is known to remove dirt and toxins from deep within. The best part of it is that it works for all skin types. When you are using chickpea flour, use brown chickpea flour since it works effectively. And now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek powder. Fenugreek has anti-aging, anti-inflammatory properties. It eliminates the signs of aging like wrinkles, fine lines, cures acne, reduces redness and moisturizes your skin. It is also well known for treating dandruff too. Another ingredient I'm adding is 1 tablespoon of Indian Gooseberry powder. Gooseberry is a fruit that is widely popular in India. It is loaded with skin-friendly vitamin C which can do wonders for all your skin woes. And we all know vitamin C is a natural antioxidant that helps in slowing down the aging process and reduces dark spots and gives you a young supple skin. And now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of barley powder. In this mask I'm using pearl barley powder. You may have not known of barley, but it is king of cereals. It is rich in selenium which helps in improving the elasticity of the skin and keeps it toned, and it controls acne and brightens the skin. And now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of Mungbean powder. Mung beans are widely used in Asian countries because of its health and cosmetic benefits. It has powerful anti-aging properties that reduces presence of wrinkles, fine lines from the skin easily. It also acts as a good exfoliator. And now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of holy basil. Holy basil is a prominent herb in India for treating many health and skin problems. It has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties. It is fully loaded with antioxidants and it does wonders to your skin and health as well. And now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of neem leaf powder. Neem is one of the miracle herbs that offer many health and skin benefits. It is also called wonder leaf. Neem is antiseptic, antibacterial, antifungal and much more. And all these properties help in healing many skin problems and diseases. And now give a good mix to all these and add sufficient amount of water and make a paste. Paste either with fingers or by using a brush. When you're applying it, try to apply a thick layer on all of your face and neck. You can also use this as a body scrub, but when you're using it as a body scrub, make sure Mungbean powder is so coarse so that it acts as a good exfoliator and remove all the dead skin cells. Once you apply this mask, leave it for at least half an hour, and after that gently massage it with your fingertips and rinse it off. When you're rinsing it off, you might feel sticky or greasy. It's because of Mungbean powder has that sticky nature, so it feels sticky. You can use this mask daily since there is no harm in it, or you can use it 4 times a week. I assure you, this mask doesn't cause any side effects, but in case if you see anything like that, stop using it immediately. And that's pretty much of it. And if you have any questions or anything like that, do comment. I'll try to reply. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.